Click OK. Now you need to add the path. Select the path, click Edit. Here also, you have to add one more. Click OK. Yeah, so can you remove those values from a user variable? Okay, so click OK. That's it. South close the command prompt and reopen, because if we're going to type the same, it will throw some errors. Right. Open the command prompt and try to check for Java compiler. Type JVAC. Java C. Enter. Okay, so it's working. Java compiler is working. Okay. Okay. Now you can type MySQL. It won't throw, it's not recognized. It will throw an error. So we are able to access Java. 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 Right, so it's working. Now go to Java Explorer. So look at what we're doing. We're working, so the same thing. If you don't have some data, copy the interface by Tomcat and paste it inside into it, Apache solve, and paste the link value of the Apache. You can feel that. Okay, why it's not allowing us to open? Let me change the security sharing. Right, currently we are facing. We are not able to open this comp at 8.5 folder. We need to open this one inside that we are going to deploy the software. Okay, guys, don't follow these steps. It's not working. I'm not able to open. I have faced this issue previously. Whenever I used to get these kind of issues, I'll go for lower version. So currently I'm going to follow the same. Yes. Yeah, yes. Okay. Uninstall. Just click on the install. Remove all files in your directory. Close. I didn't expect this. It's not allow us to open the package right. We should open where we are going to install that one day. Okay, we are going to deploy the software. So let me try to accept this one, because sometimes it won't allow you to do. I had the same issue in my system. Okay. So inside the Web Apps folder, you are going to create one new folder called Identity.Iq. Here you are going to deploy Identity.Iq. Open that. So replace the WAR file. So please the WAR file. So let me check before that application server what we have installed. It's working fine. We'll do the validation. I think this will go, but after installation will throw some error. C. Unable to compile flash file. Okay. Okay. So let's look at later. I'll follow the steps and I'll help you. How we are going to do. So just you are going to deploy the software for that. You are going to create a folder inside the Tomcat folder. Open the web apps, and that you are going to create one folder called Identity.Iq. Inside that you are going to replace this WAR. So after that, you are going to extract this WAR. So rightly, using 7-zip or any other software you can extract, or else you can open the command prompt, and from there you can inspect. Let me open command prompt. So it's a shortcut from here, from this folder path. You can access command prompt. Open that. Okay. Here we are going to use the command called a jar. Space. I find xef. Space. Identity.Iq. WAR. So this is the WAR file we are going to extract. So let me click on, and it will extract the WAR file.